guys, Rochelle here from Zesty Life, and I'm here with my friend Andy at Core Intentions Pilates to talk about mindful movement. You may have heard of mindfulness, which is the ability to slow down and be present in the moment, but how well are you practicing that in your daily life and your sport?
The comment I get most when riding my bike is that I'm smooth. But riding over skinnies, wet roots, and down steep technical rocks isn't just about having strong muscles. It requires a focused mind, swift coordination, and body awareness. And that's what Pilates has helped me tap into.
Pilates is a great example of mindfulness. It actually used to be called contrology. It's full control of your muscles, stabilizing, dynamic movement, a lot of control of the breath.
Most people rarely think about how they hold their body, but the ability to tune into the way your body moves will allow you to do everything with more grace, strength, and balance.
Thanks for watching this clip about mindful movement. Whether you're a couch potato or an aspiring athlete, Pilates is a great way to get in touch with your mind-body awareness. For more recipes for your Zesty Life, you can check out my book at zestylife.ca. Thanks, Andy.
Thanks for coming in.